Hello students, here is the question. If for x belonging to 0 to pi by 2, log of 10 sin x plus log of 10 cos x is equals to minus 1 and log of 10 sin x plus cos x is equals to 1 by 2 times log of 10 n minus 1, where n is greater than 0, then the value of n is equal to. So this is a pretty simple question. You know that x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So that means sin x and cos x are both greater than 0, because sin x and cos x both have positive values in this domain, and also this will have positive values in the domain given to us. So we just simplify this using logarithm rules, that logarithm of sin x base 10 plus logarithm cos x base 10 is equals to minus 1. So we know log of a plus log of b, to having the same base, will give us log of a into b. So we have log of sin x into cos x, and log of sin x into cos x will have sin x into cos x is equals to base power the term that we have after here, the equality sign. So 10 raised to minus 1, we get 1 by 10. So sin x into cos x is equals to 1 by 10, and we know this term over here, log of 10 sin x plus cos x, log of base 10 sin x plus cos x is equals to 1 by 2 times log of n minus 1 base 10. So we use that over here, and we have that, so log of this over here. So we take out the logarithm, that means we uh, do 1 by 2 on this term. As we know, x log of a raised to n is equal to log of a raised to x base n. So we do that and we take out the logarithm on both sides, which means sin x plus cos x is equals to n by 10 1 raised to 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 2. When we square on both the sides, we have sin x plus cos x the whole square, which means sin square x plus cos square x is equals to n by 10 minus 2 sin x cos x, and we know sin square x plus cos square x is 1 by the identity, and 2 sin x cos x is 2 into 1 by 10, which is equals to n by 10. So this becomes 12 by 10, and n by 10, which is equals to 12 by 10, so n becomes 12. Thank you.